me. You know, it's your girl, Strike. What's going on? I do have a shirt on. I really wanted to talk to you guys about last week. Unfortunately, I couldn't post a video because I did a drive with me / playlist video, and you can't post YouTube videos with other songs in it without being demonetized or getting a copyright strike, and I don't want a copyright strike. And unfortunately, as soon as I posted that video, YouTube was like, no, we see these songs that you have in this video and you can't post it. And I got really sad over it, so I'm still kind of debating if I want to put it up on Vimeo, just so if you guys are interested in hearing some new songs or, you know, a new playlist and whatnot, you could probably go watch it there. If I do decide to put it on Vimeo, I will put the link in the description below of this video. So yeah, I'm a little butthurt, but it's fine. Me and YouTube, we still cool. It's good. Sorry about that. The drive with me was a very highly requested video, so I'm so sad I couldn't post it, but you know, here we are. I'm gonna do another video and we might as well just get into it. For today's video, as you saw from the thumbnail and the title of this video, I'm gonna be using the Morphe 35M palette, and I'm so excited. First off, I'm on my period. I'm breaking out everywhere. I'm a whole wreck. It's fine though, so just don't judge me today. It's all good, you know. We're close. Me and you, we're tight. It's fine. Just disregard my face. To start out, before I do absolutely anything else, I want to put my Glossier, what is this? Skin Salve. Ugh, I hate that word. I hate the word that. Ugh. But I got this in my Ipsy bag and I love it. It's so nice. Next, I'm gonna go ahead and with some coconut oil, and I'm gonna put this all over my face. So that drive with me video that I was talking about, like, it was so good. I had like almost all my favorite songs in it, and then I clipped most of the video down to like hardly anything so that I wouldn't get copyrighted or whatever, but it's fine. Right now in the wintertime, my skin is so dry, so that's why I'm back to like putting coconut oil on before I do anything. It really makes me glow throughout like the whole day and does help my makeup application, that's for sure. I have a lot of comments too on my videos saying coconut oil clogs your pores, but for me it is so helpful. It is like the most beneficial thing ever. I don't have any pores to clog, like I'm just all dry. My whole face is just dry. So coconut oil and me like this, okay? I did already do my eyebrows, and that's just because I'm bored with doing my eyebrows. I'm over it. I did them with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow today. And I'm gonna prime my eyes with my Tarte Shape Tape, and this is in the shade Fair. I'm recording with nothing but pure sunlight right now. I'm just standing in front of the window, and oh my god, it makes me so happy knowing I don't have to stand in front of lights right now. I just love natural lighting. Whenever I get my own house in the future and whatnot, I want to have so many windows. I just want it to be spacious and open. I love the sunlight, like natural everything. So we're gonna go ahead into this Morphe palette. My mom got me this palette for Christmas, and you're probably thinking, she got it for you for Christmas and you're just now using it? Well, yes, because I've been busy recording other videos that just didn't work out, and also because I wanted to wait and record a video for the first time I used it. So whenever I first peeked at this palette, like Christmas morning, and then I peeked at it this morning before I decided to record as well, and these green shades up here really stand out to me, like these three. So we're gonna go with something neon and bright. I don't know how this is gonna go, but we're gonna try it. So the very first shade I do wanna start with is this orange. It's called Fired Up. It's looking really pigmented on my brush, so I'm so excited. I'm gonna dab this in and start working it in my crease. Wow, I'm like obsessed with this orange. I could just leave it like this and I would be happy. But no, we're going all in today. Next, I think I'm gonna go ahead in and play It Cool, which is this pretty brown, and then I'm gonna go ahead in with Talk Dirty, which is the brown below it, and then I'm gonna work in Sparks Fly. So I'm sorry about the reflection. I know that was really hard to see, so yeah, I picked this brown, the one below it, and then I'm gonna work with this one as well. Now I don't wanna overpower the orange, so I'm kind of working these in below it. And I'm not working all of them in together, I'm doing them in steps. Morphe blends amazing. It's like ridiculous how good they blend. I'm really making sure to work in Sparks Fly and what was the other one, like something dirty? Talk Dirty. Yeah. It's so hard to see the palette names, but anyhow, those last two dark browns that I had used, I'm really making sure that I deepen out the outer corner of my lid. because whenever I cut my crease, I'm not gonna cut it the whole way across, so I really wanna have a nice base of brown going on in there. I'm gonna take that orange back in just a bit and kind of go back over around the rim. Just like buffing that orange around and out. Out and around. I'm also gonna work in a little bit of black magic out here and kind of blend it inwards. Okay, next I'm gonna go ahead in and cut my crease with my Tarte Shape Tape again, just because like this is my holy grail. I use Shape Tape for everything. My creases didn't turn out exactly how I wanted them, so I'm gonna go back in with the deeper shades and kind of blend it in just a bit to kind of like fix up the shape. I'm gonna take a little bit of that brown, like Sparks Fly or whatever it's called, and just like work it back in. Okay, and now for the fun part, I'm gonna go in with Stroke of Luck, which is this green. I'm just finishing my cut crease with this shade. I'm also gonna use the shade Hello Sunshine. I'm gonna go back in and just define my crease just a little bit more. I've decided I'm also gonna take a little bit more of that orange and kind of work it in this way as well, just to kind of give it a little bit more dimension. I did decide I am gonna do my face makeup off camera, and then I'll be right back. Here I am, face done. We are going to highlight with my Eye Artist eyeshadow by Absolute New York, and this is in the shade VIP. If I ever use an eyeshadow that I think is gonna be way too dark to be a highlighter, I'll just go in with a beauty blender and like blend it out. But since that highlighter was gold and it was eyeshadow, I thought might as well kind of like pat it in. So I'm gonna go ahead in with that orange, which is called, I think, Fired Up, and we're gonna do it underneath my eye, kind of like how we did my crease. I'm gonna use the same browns I did my crease with earlier and just kind of go in on top of that orange. So to basically finish off this look, I'm gonna go in with my Lorac Pro mascara. And for you guys that didn't know, Lorac is Carol spelled backwards, so I hope that blew your mind. Now, Lorac's liner, their liquid liner that comes in a silver tube, it looks just like this. I was actually gonna use it today, but I ran out. Anyhow, it is my favorite eyeliner like ever. Okay, and to finish off my lips, I'm gonna go back in with that Glossier lip salve. This gives you like the best base in the whole wide world to work with. And then I'm gonna go in with this Ulta lipstick, and I don't even know what color it is. I don't know if the label got peeled off on the bottom. Oh wait, here it is. This is the Ulta Lip Color Snowflake Shimmer. To kind of like give my lips some gloss. And ta-da! This is the final look. So the sun is like over here, but we're over here. Thank you guys so much for watching. I also really wanted to thank you guys for 15,000 subscribers. You guys are the best ever, and I just want to say that I see your comments and I see your DMs, and you guys are the sweetest ever. You're constantly making my day, so I love each and every one of you. And just stay tuned for future videos, and thanks for watching.